Okay, so I work out a lot, and because of that, I tend to get some like back knee built up where my sports bra is, since I'm always in a sports bra and I'm constantly working out and sweating. So because of that, I was looking for something to help me, and I came across Rose Otto. I had no idea that this stuff actually helped with acne on top of like boosting your libido and like helping reduce anxiety. Like, I'm like, why have I not heard of this stuff before? It's kind of like a wonder smell, I guess, a wonder essential oil. But I have been adding this to the oil that I will add to my back to help moisturize after I get out of the shower. And this has actually been helping to clear up my skin. And while I'm rubbing it onto my back, I'll also rub it into my armpits where a lot of like your lymph nodes are. And help boost that libido. And it just smells really good and just almost makes you feel like kind of wrapped up and loved. Like, I really like it. But yeah, so it's been helping my back a lot, and I just feel really good using it.